Hey, look now. Welcome back to Green's Era Vlogs. As you can see, we have 5 bracelets on the table here to complete. They don't have any, anything to close, any beads at the end. So we should add them to these bracelets. We have some black beads, we have some yellow beads, we have some green beads, we have some red. So we'll be designing some. With red beads or black beads, and we have some green beads as well. So we should mix them up, design them, see what we come up with. Alright? Hope all you enjoy the video. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let's get into it. Where's my scissors? Where's my lighter? Alright, so we have my scissors and my lighter, my scissors and my lighter here, guys. We're about to start designing. Okay, so first we will do this one. Let's do this one. Anybody have an idea what we should do this one? Let's do this one classy. Let's do this one in a very classy way. Okay, we have some I see we have this plastic bead here. I should find another one, but we shouldn't go find anything right now. We should use what we have. So let's use this one and this one. Let's do it quick. Let's do it quick. Guys, and if you're interested in signing up for the Crafting Corner, go to my website, greensera.com, and sign up for the Crafting Corner. Let's go. Alright. Let's go 1 and 1. Thank you, thank you. So this is how you do it, guys. This is how you do the first one. What do you think? Give me your ratings. Give me your ratings. What do you think about the first one? Remember, you open it like so and you close it like so. This is the first one. Rate number 1. Would use this one as number 2. One, 2. Why we decide to do this one the same? Because some people will be asking for his and hers, or twin bracelets, friendship bracelets, so you try to do them by the 2s. That's similar by the 2s. Okay, so let's go. Anybody deciding what should be the second design? I think the second design should be red, yellow, and green. What do you think? Okay, we gotta be repping the greens 110%, so you gotta do Grenada colors, right? You gotta do some Caribbean colors, I must say. This is a classic color right here. I'm gonna include with this collection the Grenada colors or Caribbean colors, African colors. Some people say all different colors, multicolor, even some even say as well. But it's a classy look with this one, and I like it. What do you think? Rate it from 1 to 10. Rate this one also from 1 to 10, guys. Let me know what you think. Sit right next to this one, so you see the twinning experiment, twinning theme. We'll be twinning on this one. We'll be twinning. Let's do our twin ice green and gold, red, yellow, and green. Let's do red, yellow, and green. Let's see how this one will turn out. And let's compare it also to the first one. I'll put red first. Red, yellow, green. Just go how you find I'm moving, slow, fast. I ain't trying to go too fast, I ain't trying to go too slow. I'm trying to go just at enough speed so we can make this video very interesting and not, you know, slow. So go ahead, like the video if you are enjoying it so far. This is the red, yellow, and green version. Let me know what you think. Okay, rest this one right next to it here, and we will work on twinning version. Twin version as well. Let's go. We have the twin version right here. Red, few red on the few red here, boy. Few red. Where we got one? Nah, we shouldn't do this little red. Should do a big red like him, and a big yellow like him, so you can get a big green like him. Right. Alright guys, so yes, so if you're interested in signing up for the crafting corner, we will be back again soon. I'll say by the middle of the month we'll be back on streaming again, streaming the content, and hope to get a full class as well. So anybody interested in signing up for the next crafting corner class, check out my website greenzara.com. Also, if you're interested in watching the streams, check out I'll be live again, as I said, back streaming on YouTube and Twitch. I'll be streaming again on YouTube from 11 a.m. twice a week though, instead of every day. And I'll be streaming on Twitch as much as I can, at least every night. That's what I'll be doing. But YouTube gets us a different schedule. YouTube will get definitely a different schedule. Okay. We won't go do Twitch twice a week. You try to do Twitch at least 3 times a week and do YouTube twice a week. At least, if it's not every day on Twitch, back on Twitching every day, Twitching subathon every day, crafting every day. We should be doing that, right? If not, y'all get it 3 days in a week. If y'all didn't get it again every day, if I had to take a break, it would be on days when I could take a break and I could give y'all at least 3 consistent days in a week on Twitch. But on YouTube, I give y'all 2 to 3 days on YouTube consistently, back to back. I was thinking 3 days, sorry, 3 days on YouTube, my bad. 3 days on YouTube consistently, and if not 5 days a week on Twitch, or every day on Twitch, streaming every day on Twitch, y'all will get at least 5 days a week on Twitch. And I need to take a break. I'm gonna take 2 days off on Twitch. And when I need to take a break on YouTube, I'm taking four days off. Taking 4 days off YouTube. I'm giving YouTube three days a week for beginner classes, intermediate, and professional. 3 days a week I'm giving YouTube. Yep, that's what it is. So we complete the 2 sets. So for this one, let's do a unique collaboration. Let's do this red and end it with a black bead. Should I end it with a black? Oh, red. Black and red. Oh, end it with a black. Okay, boom. Next side, red, end it with a black. Okay, that is it. There we have it. There you have it. Let me know which one is your favorite in this collection. Which bead finish in the end is your favorite? The red and black, sorry. Red and black, or red, yellow, and green, which was the second one, or the fully black one. Sorry, but this one needs balancing. And to me, this is authentication as well. My bracelets are always balanced. Bracelets are always balanced. You can get balance wearing them. You can feel the balance wearing them. So last but not least, let's complete by burning the ends like so. This is it right here, the final one with red bead. So which one is your favorite? The red, the black set, or the red, yellow, and green set? Let me know. This one is the red and black bead, as you see. Simple macrame black wax card. As you can see, black wax card. These are the black wax card collection. Black bead, wooden bead with recycled plastic bead in the end for this one as well. This one is the twirling one. Black wax card as well. Wooden bead and recycled plastic bead here as well. And we have slimmer version, most slendered, simple wax card as well, with the red, yellow, and green beads at the end. We have the twirling one to match as well. I would say this one will be his, this one will be hers, this one will be his, this one will be hers. So you have 2 his and hers. And we have this one as a his or her. See, this one could be unisex. Right? But that's the collection today. Let me know what you think in the comment section. like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Okay, and comment which is your favorite collection, which is your favorite version of this collection. The classy Caribbean colors, or I'll call this one the Oya color. Oya, it could be Oya or Shango. No, it could be Oya or Elegba. Black and red or Caribbean colors or classy. Let me know. Leave a comment. Leave a suggestion what you think I should design in the next couple of collections to come. And also for the stores, if you're interested in selling these collections in your store, shoot me a message. You can find my email on my website, greensera.com. Okay, check out my other collections on my Instagram